In this video, I will show you how to integrate Shopify with Klaviyo. If you want to know how it's done in this video, it's for you. So what you can do is you can head over to a new tab and search in here for apps at shopify.com. So let's search in here for that. And then in here, it will open this. So click on the search app. Search in here for Klaviyo. And then once you have searched for that, you should be able to see in here this Klaviyo email and marketing. So click on this right here. Then click on this install option. And then it will open in here a new tab where it will ask you for access in order to successfully add this particular application. So click on this install option. Once you have done that, this will actually install this. So in here, it will show you the sign up page for Klaviyo. So let's head over and let me just sign up first. So as of right now, you can see that it is actually creating or connecting to Shopify. Click on this continue right here in order to connect your Shopify to your Klaviyo. Now for this one, just add in here your business details. So I'll click on continue right here once I have done that. And then this will load like this and it will show you this in their information, which is my store name. So in here, click on this continue right here. And then it will ask you how do you want to reach your subscriber. It can be email or SMS or both. So let's choose this one right here. And this will load your Klaviyo again and it will confirm your email using this. So let me just confirm my email. So this is what it will look like. Just click on this confirm email right here. And once you have done that, this will direct you to a new tab right here wherein it will actually enable you this one. So once your email is confirmed, let's head back right here and just refresh your Klaviyo. So in here, let's just refresh it. And you can now see your dashboard on Klaviyo. So on this dashboard, you can start a new campaign. You can add or put in here more conversion, sign-up forms, flow, campaign, audiences that you have, and all of these things right here. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, just simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.